Learn cranial nerves, names, and
The
function.
mnemonic is ooh 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 to touch and feel very good velvet, such heaven. Cranial nerve 1 olfactory, 2 optic, 3 oculomotor, 4 is the trochlear, 5 is the trigeminal, 6 abducens, 7 facial, 8 vestibular, 9 glossopharyngeal, 10 vagus, 11 accessory, and 12 hypoglossal. We're gonna use the mnemonic to learn the nerve functions, which is some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. Cranial nerve 1 is the sensory nerve and is responsible for the sense of smell. Cranial nerve 2 is the sensory nerve, which is called optic nerve and is responsible for the vision. Third cranial nerve is the oculomotor nerve. As the name says oculomotor, it is a motor nerve and responsible for many eye movements except moving the eye downwards and outwards. Fourth cranial nerve is trochlear nerve and it is a motor nerve. It is responsible for moving the eye downward and outward. Fifth cranial nerve is responsible for both sensory and the motor functions. Sensory functions as the facial and tongue sensations, and motor functions like biting and chewing, that is the mastication. That is called abducens. It is a motor nerve and it is responsible for the eye movements like abductions. Seventh cranial nerve is the facial nerve that is responsible for both motor functions like facial movements and expressions and sensory function. Eighth cranial nerve is the sensory nerve and responsible for hearing and balance. Ninth cranial nerve is responsible for both sensory function like taste and sensation and the motor function. It supplies the muscle that is responsible for elevating the pharynx and the larynx during swallowing. 10th cranial nerve, that is the vagus nerve, and it has both sensory and motor functions. 11th cranial nerve is the accessory nerve. It is a motor one and responsible for flexion of neck and tilting of head. 12th cranial nerve is the hypoglossal nerve. It is responsible for the motor functions like tongue movements.